Good morning, everybody, and thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John, and today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're looking at the Studio 3 wireless over-the-ear headphones by Beats. Now, originally I had the Bose SoundSport free wireless earbuds that I tried out last week. I've been on a bit of an audio equipment binge as of late, and I decided to pick up the Beats Wireless 3 headphones. The guy at the store, the helper at the store, told me that anything with the Beats logo on it was just going to be okay. Well, today we're gonna test that theory out, and we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions of our Beats Studio 3 wireless headphones. So let's go ahead and unbox it. You get this very premium boxing experience here. So I picked mine up in navy blue. You can pick yours up from Best Buy in black. They have a multitude of other colors, white, some really cool special edition headphones, which are really cool looking. So I'll leave that there off to the side. Some awesome box art. Now on the top here, it says there's a little red sticker that says Beats Studio 3 Wireless. So it's really some branding, but I think it should say 3-year warranty on it. I think it should say 3-year guarantee, because I have an old pair of Beats Studio wireless headphones, or they're not wireless, they're wired. They're the original studio headphones. I have a pair upstairs, and I've had them for about 5 years now, and they're fantastic. They've broken a little bit, you know, the leather padding around the headphone has kind of worn out, and on the headband, and I actually dropped them once and they cracked, but for having them for 5 years, they've been nothing but just absolutely awesome. And you know, I love the old design where you would have to put batteries in them in order for them to work. Those days are over, folks. It's all wireless now. You charge your headphones up and they're wireless. So I'm gonna miss that, but you know, this is gonna be one more thing that I have to charge every night, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and see what they look like. So peel off the top of the box here. Obviously they get this experience from Apple, who actually owns the Beats brand now. Change the way you hear sound. Absolutely amazing unboxing experience so far. I am very impressed. And of course, with the Studio Series boxes, you get this really cool case, this really cool carrying case, as you should with any pair of headphones that cost this much. These were $279 at Best Buy. You can pick them up. So far, this carrying case is a little bit cheap here, but wow, these look really sharp. Okay, so there they are, folks. There's really nothing else. Let's put these off to the side for a second. There's really nothing else in the box. Well, maybe there is actually. There's a little pull tab down here. And of course you get what looks to be a wired connection. So that is nice, and this one is geared so that you can make and receive phone calls from it, which is really nice, and also activate the voice assistant, I'm sure. I'm pretty sure there's a voice assistant here. You get some really nice, pamphlets in here too. The charging cable, which is USB to micro USB, so USB to micro USB on that one. And this clip, this really cool clip. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what they sound like. Okay, so we've got the handy dandy iPad. We'll put off this very tasteful box off to the side, and we'll pull out our new Beats Studio 3 wireless over-the-ear headphones. Okay, so we charge them here, and we controls for wireless mode. So you looks like you take calls here, volume up, volume down along the side here. Very similar in design to the first generation studio headphones, except these are a little bit more minimalist looking. They're a little bit more stylish. We've got some chrome on the outside here. They look like they're made for an adult. Let's just say that. Before, they looked like they were for young adults, including myself. Yeah, these look really sharp. Let's go ahead and turn these on. They look a little bit more professional. These look like something that I would want to wear if I was traveling for business. Let's just say that. So we'll put the case off to the side. Now, what's really awesome about Beats products is that because they are owned by Apple, everything is seamlessly integrated with your Apple products. So as you see here, Beats Studio comes right up on the iPad, and we'll go ahead and hit connect. All I do is turn them on. So right out of the box, they come with 94% battery. I don't know about yours, but mine came with 94% battery. So that is super exciting that we're gonna be able to test these out right away. And let's go ahead and see what they sound like. So they are officially connected. Let's go, they connected right away, which is really nice. Which was actually, if you remember from the other day when I reviewed the HomePod, the HomePod did not connect right away, which was fascinating. But anyways, okay, so we've got, this is the right side, this is the left side. So far, really comfortable. The noise cancellation feature is working, I can tell. It's already canceled out some background noise. Okay, so let's go ahead and put on some royalty-free music. Right off the bat, I want to say that these are much more balanced than the original studio headphones. Louder, they're clearer. The bass is crisp. It's a little bit more pronounced, which is, it's a little bit, the bass, it's hard to explain. It's a little bit more punchy, but it's a better bass. It's a better bass sound. These are so far great sounding set of headphones. Very comfortable. They're snug on my head. Very premium feeling. I'm a little bit curious about the Bose now, and the Sony WH-1000 XM3s, whatever they are. Okay, so far so good. These are a really nice pair of headphones, folks. You're gonna get active noise cancellation. You're gonna get this premium look and feel of the Beats Studio Wireless 3 headphones. I got mine in navy blue. You can pick yours up in black. You can get them in white. You can get them in red. You can get them in a multitude of other colors and really cool designs. They have some really cool special edition versions for the same price. They're not, you know, they don't cost extra. I believe they were also $279 for the really cool special edition ones. First impressions are that these are a really great pair of headphones. Super excited to be finally using a pair of headphones without wires. I would always get the wires stuck on like a knob or a handle or something. I would be brushing my teeth and get the wires stuck on a handle and the cord would yank out. Anyways, you don't want that. These are a great pair of headphones. They're a little bit more minimalist now. The Beats brand has kind of died down a little bit. So these aren't as, they don't seem as over the top as they were when they first came out. So really, you want to compare these to a pair of Bose headphones, but we'll get our hands on the Bose maybe this week sometime. And my name is John. The Beats Studio Wireless 3 headphones are a big box good. You can pick them up at Best Buy for $279. My name is John, and thank you so much for tuning in.